magsasama habang buhay tayo magsasaya.
It's not just an ordinary concert. What we want to do here is to promote and encourage students like us to support and watch and listen to OPM music.
I love you too.
Sinong may tampo? Sinong sisisihin? Sinong may gusto nito? Ang lahat ay nag-iiba. Ang lahat ay nag-iiba.
Thank you, Cross and Arrows, Star City, and Kias! Friday na kami sa One Stage, One Night.
When I see them produce, they're really fighting for OPM then. I want to be a part of that. Kian Cipriano is the perfect artist, my vision and my target audience.
Let's make this happen. Let's do this.
Saan binitawan? Saan